Hi Webbies, welcome back to my channel right here. And our color is a bit wonky. So yeah, and I have really so dang big earrings on that I don't know if it suits me very well, but yeah, as you can see from the title, we're gonna go through my top 5 favorite drugstore products that I have all on my face today, and I thought it can be executed better if I have them on. So I am uncomfortable wearing these, like seriously. I don't know if I can go through this video wearing them, but of course we're gonna go through with it, and again, out of sorts and out of everywhere today. But we're gonna start on what's on my eyes today. This beautiful eye look is done by the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. I'm gonna have a tutorial on this on my channel. Maybe if it's not up, then it will be up soon. This is the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette, but I am talking about all of Wet n Wild 10 pan eyeshadows. Like, this things is really affordable, and of course really blends well for your eyes, as you can see. The only downside about this though, it has a lot of fallout, but it blends really well that you can look past that fallout. And they have, I guess, 2 other colors. Oh, no, I think 4. Yeah, they have Nude Awakening, a Rose on Air, and Not a Basic Peach, but they all look like this. And this is just 350 pesos. So if you're in a budget and you want an eyeshadow that really works for you, works really well, blends really well, looks like you've paid a lot of cash for it, then go to Wet n Wild and get this palette right here. Another find from Wet n Wild is those singles that is just, I guess it was the glitter singles. Let me get one on my back here because I know I have a favorite one, which is this one. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon in, I guess this is brass. Yeah, this is brass, and this is pure glitter on your eyes. Like, I am not kidding on how pure the glitter is, and you won't need a glitter glue just for this to work. And I don't know why I didn't put this on my eyes today, but I've used this on my disappointing products video. I have used this, but if you can see that it has a lot of glitters in it, and it is pure glitter for your eyes, and this is so amazing. Like, this will be in your eyes all day long. It doesn't look like much, but if you pack it on, I swear. And this box right here is only 80 pesos, so that is a steal if you have something like this, and if you have something to pop on your lid. This is just 400, and that is amazing. The second product that I can assure you that is very amazing is this is the Super Stay by Maybelline, the 24-hour full coverage foundation. I have this on my collection for a while, and my sisters really love this because it really stays on beautifully for 24 hours, and it is not drying, it doesn't look patchy, it does not feel heavy on the skin. Amazing. And Maybelline really did an enormous great job on this foundation, and we are in natural ivory. This is so amazing and it clears very well, and of course if you want to try it for 24 hours you can, but for 12 hours I have used this and it is so damn amazing. And I suggest you go to Maybelline and purchase this foundation because it is so dang good. I have this on today and it doesn't look like I have a ton of makeup on, but yeah, I have this. The Fit Me line is the third product in here. I have the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Like, I have run out of this, guys, over and over again, and I cannot find anything that tops this one because you know that the concealer from Maybelline, the Fit Me, is an OG. So I cannot find anything that blends so fast and covers so fast than this guy right here. And of course, if you set it with the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, it's so amazing. Like, you have this on your bag and just retouch with this throughout the day and you will not regret it. It's so good. Like, it just blurs out all your pores, adds definition to your face, and of course keeps your makeup fresh all day. So I suggest go to the Maybelline counter and get this too. So, you know, why not? Because they're so amazing. Our fourth product in here again from Maybelline is their lipsticks. Because I mean, if you are in a budget and if you want to have really amazing, creamy, velvety, pigmented lipsticks that has a lot of formulas, satin, loaded bolds, mattes, creamy mattes, you have it all on Maybelline. And I urge you guys, because this is so good and so affordable. The bullet in this is also just 200 pesos and you do get a lot. Like, I have this on for ages and look how many that is. This is what I have on. This is Raw Cocoa. I have a swatch video of the Maybelline lipsticks that I have on the back right there because I have a lot since I am so obsessed with their lipsticks and their lipstick formula. So I suggest you go and purchase these ones. These are amazing. Lastly and very amazingly, this is the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. This is what I have on my face, and this product is so amazing. I have learned from this, I guess, from Kathleen Lights, because she has been raving about this product for so long and she is obsessed with this. This is a highlighter that if you kind of swatch in there and put in your hands, doesn't look so much even on the pan, but look at how that reflects on the light. They say that this is a dupe for the Becca highlighter in Opal, and I think it is similar. And I guess I kid you not, you can build this up into the most intense highlight, and of course you can do this as a light dusting all over your face, as a finishing powder. If you want to have a really dewy skin, you can do that. And this is also very affordable and this will last you a long while. Like, I have this on for like 6 months and haven't hit pan yet. That is how amazing this highlighter is. I urge you, go with Essence and purchase this one because this is an OG, also a goodie. But yeah, so I have laid down all of my favorite drugstore affordable products for you guys if you are on a tight budget and you want to have a glam face that is so amazing but doesn't broke your bank account. Go today's Wet n Wild Maybelline Essence and purchase these products. You will not regret it. And of course, I can't with these earrings anymore. So give this video a thumbs up, share the love. Why not share the love for Ice Bear right there? And of course, if you're not subscribed already, click that subscribe button down below. Be part of the beauty squad, the squad that is always all over the place. And if you are subscribed already, thank you so much for loving and supporting this video. So you can ring the notification bell so you will be notified every time I have a new upload. And that is it for me this evening, and I will see you guys on my next one.